All right, so this is the third video, and I promise to make this short. All right. Now, the other things that I need to tell you that okay, I'm going to about to elect leader. All right. For each group, you will have each group means I mean because this video is going to be for my all my 8 groups. I'm teaching actually 8 different groups. All right, starting from group A, AA, AB, AC, AD, AE, AF, and AM. All right. So I have 8 groups. So this video is going to be general video is going to go for all my 8 groups. All right. So I'm for each group. All right. So I have 8 groups, right? So for each group, I'm going to elect a leader. Now to elect a leader, you will have choice. All right. I will actually put a note or so called a note in your WhatsApp group later. All right, in your WhatsApp group later, and let's say if I ask any suggestion for leaders, all right, so you suggest. Okay, you can suggest anyone. So let's say if A, if doesn't nobody wants to elect, all right, no, there's no suggestion, then I might have the second plan will be plan B will be random pick. I will have to random pick. When I random pick, I will just put in and just pin your name. Okay, siapa-siapa yang ada saya akan random pick. Okay, so that's one. And this group leader, the task will be I will make the group leader as the admin. Okay, admin of the WhatsApp group. All right. So because I may not be able to each and every small details you have to post again and again, so I need someone to be in charge of that and keeping updated any information. I will inform the group leaders. The 8 group leaders later will have a different separate WhatsApp group with me, because whatever I'll just tell the leaders will further will do the work, even though I'm in the group specific groups, all the groups. But I think all these small tasks I will let the group leader to do. Unless you have any problem, you can always what text me back, right? That's one. So you have two choices. One is by suggestion, anybody can give suggestion, or I have to randomly pick. Now, grouping. Now I need to get this sorted out by this week. That means week 2. All right. Grouping. Remember, this grouping is important for your speaking task, 30%. So you only need is 4 people in a group, 4 people. Okay. And let's say if there is example, there are 38 or 39. So far, all the groups except of group AC, all the groups are having 40. Full house. 40 over 40 except of group AC at the moment is 38 over 40. I'm not so sure within a day or two it might also go 40. All right, not so sure. So that is one grouping. I will send a list out, or I will expect you to put your group members' names in the forum for this week. Remember, all these 3 weeks, 3 videos. All right, so not 3 weeks. These 3 videos I'm going to post in the forum. And right in the forum, your work is you have to go through the videos, and if you have any question, please leave the questions in the forum when you reply, right? You can reply. So I will actually go through. Don't expect me to give you a instant feedback. Okay, I have other things also to do. So what I will do is I will go through the questions whenever I'm free, or whenever I can actually open my guru, I'll go through. And if I see many people or many students asking the same questions, or I might jot down, I might record a video to explain on that if you don't understand. Okay, if you have any questions related to the course or related to the assignments, all right, you can actually post that so that I can explain in detail. All right, so grouping is also one of the tasks. All right, so you have to leave 4 members names and metric number for your groups. All right, at least. So when we have about example in a group we have 40 students, so I expect 10 groups of 4 members. Clear? Okay. All right, put it, just please post it in the forum where I'm going to post these videos. Okay, I've posted these videos. Below that only I think you can reply the forum. Okay, you can do that, so you can discuss with your friends. All right, whoever you want to deal with, whoever you want, to be partners and so on. Unless the problematic ones, that one I will choose. Otherwise, if you don't have any problem, you have your coursemate with you, you're comfortable, you just want to get to know people, no problem, go ahead. But no changing groups. I mean to say, let's say you're already in this group for this task, and then after 2 weeks you say, me, this person is problematic, I want to change the group. No way. Once decided, that's it until the end of the semester. No changing groups are allowed. Take note there. No changing groups are allowed. Now, next is module. Module is what I have got, as far as I got the news is from Puan Nadia. Puan Nadia is the Timbalan Pengarah or Deputy Director of PBPU. So this book is handled by her. All right, these EPT books. So I just she just mentioned that by week 2 or week 3 I think the printing will be ready, something like that, or they want to do it is I think by week 2, the printing, that means this week anytime. So this week anytime the printing will be ready, and that's where she needs the leaders. I mean, I have 8 groups, right? She needs the leaders name numbers to join a separate group for the purchase of the modules. All right, so that one I will lead once I have actually elected the group leader. Okay, so just KIB modules at this moment you cannot come back to the campus, so the modules have to be posted. Okay, further details of the module I will provide later, not now. All right, those who are also seeing this, and in case if you are in or in a very rural area where you only have hardly a signal, where you are in your village, kampong, examples like I had my student, that's one last semester. He is from Sabah or Sarawak, can't remember. He was in Pitas, he said. Pitas in a very deep jungle. He can't get the line. He has to come out about 30 to 40 minutes away from his village to the town, the nearest town. Only then he can do the assignment and so on. So with that kind of student, I need to know if you have that kind of problem. All right, please WhatsApp me if you have that kind of problem. All right, because if that's the case, I might not use what they call it, I might send it to you by using a very lower bandwidth. Bandwidth means I have to send you just like documents, all right, maybe voice note, all right, those are the things only. You won't be able to see the videos, or you might be able to see. We will find a solution. When is it you're going to come to the nearest town? Definitely will come to a nearest town, because this is not the only one subject you're taking. You might be taking some other subject as well. So please let me know in case very deep, you're in a very deep village, very difficult to get line, unless it's a different thing. You have like 1 week twice or whatever, you have the line, and no, the line actually goes out but comes back again. That one is okay. As long as there is line, it's okay. All right. But this one I'm talking about very difficult to get. You can't get hardly. Kena panjat bukit ke apa kan, tolong bagi tahu jangan panjat-panjat bukit. Okay, alright, and then yeah, I guess uh, that's all for now. I think I've covered so much, so a lot of details I've covered, and I think this is enough for this week. And be prepared, I may not have activities for this week, but if you have any questions to ask me, please leave those questions in the forum below. All right, the reply or the response below, boxes and all. So if there's space in the forum, please leave the questions. I will read and I'll give a general comment or maybe in the form of video or voice note and all to all the groups. All right. So please take note. If you have any other things to ask me, yes, do welcome. All right. You're most welcome to ask me in the WhatsApp group as well so that I can actually acknowledge. All right. I can actually make things clear to everyone because I don't want the same questions to be repeated, 10 times, 12 times by different people. So if somebody asks me and many of them ask, I better answer once for all. All will understand the same thing. If you see me from the first day itself now, I am being very fair to all. If I give you A, all gets A. Okay, I'm being very fair in that sense that if I give you the input of A, B, C, D, so everyone will get the same input as A, B, C, D. So no one will get extra or lesser than that. So it's equal. All right, with that, I think I better stop here and hope to see you now. Starting from next week, that is week 3. I will be using Google Classroom. I'll send a link and you will join. I think that will be much better platform, easier, user friendly. Make sure prepare you have your Siswa Gmail. So make sure if you can't remember the username password, please reset those username or sorry the password. Please reset because once I give you the Google Classroom link, you have to join only using Siswa Gmail. So I remember that each and every one of you has Siswa Gmail. So please, all right, you still have time. If you have forgotten the password, please reset and remember the password. With that, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Oh yeah, there's one more thing. If I'm going to put this kind of videos every week on Mondays, all right, Mondays about 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. It is actually for all the groups, whether your class is on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It doesn't really matter. I'm a bit flexible in this case because it's a recorded video for all the same. So I'm going to actually post the videos on Monday in the morning. So it will be made available and plus with the weekly activity also in Google Classroom later. Also from I'll be giving together on Monday. So at least whenever you are free, whichever time, evening or whatever, wherever you go to town, you can get access. You need to watch the video, understand it, and at the same time you have to complete the weekly task or weekly activity for your weekly attendance. All right, so it doesn't matter whether, don't ask me later that, oh, we are Wednesday, do we have Google Meet link? Oh, my class is on Tuesday, do we have Google Meet link? No, I'm not going to use Google Meet link. I'm only going to focus on the video recorded videos and plus with the weekly activities. Is that clear? All right. I might not, please do not differentiate me with other people. Other people have different styles. I have different styles of teaching and I have my justification why I record. Because students can watch again and again. If you don't understand, they can actually look back, understand. All right. And they have any question, you can ask me always. With that, thank you everyone.